I am on the old shed with my chicken shed now, guys, and I'm going to take this soil because these are my old soil. This is actually my greenhouse, so this existing soil from my greenhouse, I'm taking some of this because I needed a fine soil for my seedlings. I'm going to germinate some seedlings. I needed a fine soil, so instead of buying, I'm going to get some of these. And I got some old screen. Move! It can't help me. Move! Move! That's right. It shook. Yeah, I'm taking this one inside the house, and I'll show you how it's done. Yes, I know. It's my old soil, right? And I have here a screen. The screen. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to get this so I can get the fine soil. So yeah, so this is what I'm doing now. See, guys, because I needed a fine soil, so I cannot buy because I don't have much money to buy it, so I just recycle it. Alright, so there it is. Now there is the fine soil for it. Now I'm going to plant my seedlings. Yeah, just an idea, because I can't get buying soil because it's very expensive. So I just get the screen and then strain it so you can get the soil and get the fine soil. Yeah, and that was my existing. It's from my existing soil. So this is what I do. Shred it. Get this screen and get the fine soil.